In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create eye-catching text in Microsoft Word using word art. Whether you're designing a flyer, crafting a presentation, or simply spicing up your documents, word art can add a touch of creativity to make your text stand out. So let's dive right in and explore how you can transform ordinary text into something spectacular. First, open your Microsoft Word file. You might already have a document ready, or perhaps you're starting fresh. Either way, the process remains the same. Once your file is open, look towards the top of the screen for the menu bar. Here, you'll want to click on the Insert tab. This section of Word is where you can add a variety of elements, ranging from pictures and shapes to more advanced features like charts and hyperlinks. Now in the Insert tab, search for the option called Word Art. It's located within the text group of the toolbar, so it shouldn't be too hard to spot. When you click on Word Art, a drop-down menu will appear, showcasing a variety of styles to choose from. Each style offers a unique look, so take a moment to browse through and select one that resonates with the design aesthetic you're going for. Once you've settled on a style, click on it, and a placeholder text box will appear in your document. Here, simply type in the text you'd like to make pop. With your word art to work with, the next step is to mold it further to your liking. This involves heading over to the Shape Format tab that appears when your word art is selected. Within this tab, you'll find a wide array of formatting options. For today, we'll focus on text effects. Click on it and then go to Transformation. Here, you'll be presented with an exciting array of warp styles. From simple arches to intricate waves, feel free to experiment with different styles until you find the perfect fit for your project. As you apply these effects, you'll notice that handles appear around your word art. These are essential for tweaking your text further. Use these handles to stretch or compress your word art either horizontally or vertically, giving you more control over the final appearance of your text. This flexibility is fantastic for achieving a custom look that aligns perfectly with your creative vision. And there you have it. You've turned basic text into something vibrant and eye-catching in just a few straightforward steps. Go ahead and play around with different combinations to see what creative results you can achieve. We hope this guided tour of word art has been helpful and that you feel inspired to explore all the artistic possibilities within Microsoft Word.